Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss a very important trick from nuclear and elementary particle physics, and this is gonna be related to the topic gamma decay. Now from this topic generally we are going to get the questions based on multipoles. Okay, and in today's session I'm going to tell you a trick that how you can easily answer such type of questions just in few seconds. Okay, so I hope that today's session, this video will be helpful for all of you, and you will easily be able to get the answer for any such type of questions after knowing about the trick I'm going to discuss in this video. Also, before starting the discussion about the trick guys, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Also, after clicking on subscribe, you will get the bell icon there. You can click on that bell icon to get the notifications for all the new videos I will upload on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Now let's just start the discussion about the trick we are going to consider in this session. Also guys, in other videos I have provided many other tricks, many other topics and concepts and questions as well. So if you have not watched the other videos I have provided you on this channel, you can check them and you can watch those videos as well. Even if your friends are preparing for the exam, you can share the videos with them, because all these videos will be helpful for all the students, those who are preparing for CSIR Net Physics Exam, GATE Physics Exam, JEST, TIFR, okay, or any other similar exam. So now let's start the discussion. If I'm going to talk about the multipoles, what are the different multipoles we are going to consider here? So they will be like E1, M1, okay, E1, M1, which are what? Which are going to be electric dipole and magnetic dipole. Okay, then E2, M2, which are going to be electric quadrupole and magnetic quadrupole. Clear? Then you are going to have E3, M3, which is going to be like the octapole. Now the trick which we are going to consider, with the help of that trick you will easily be able to answer any such question based on any of these multipoles. How? See guys, the trick statement is like N, E, E, okay, Ni, Y, E, M. Clear? Now the point is, what you need to do, you need to consider like, is there any parity change? When they are giving you like the transition, they are telling you, okay, from this to this transition is taking place. So you have to firstly observe or ask the question, is the parity change taking place there? So the answer will be either no or yes. Okay, so the parity change, no. Then you have to write the even components of electric field, they will be present. Okay, that means E2 only. Okay, even component of electric fields. If parity change, yes is the answer, that means the parity is changing. Done. Then even component of magnetic fields you will have to consider. That means what? They are going to be M2. Okay, like M2. And when I am saying even component of electric field, what are the magnetic field components you will have here? M1 and M3. Okay, similarly in other case. So which one even you have to take, that's getting clear from here. For example, if the transition is like from 1 positive to 2 negative, is the parity change? Yes, it was positive here, it is negative here. So the answer is yes. So what will be the allowed multipoles in this transformation? So the allowed multipoles in this case will be what? Even components of magnetic field, which is M2, and what are the other? They are going to be E1 and E3. So even components or even multipoles, only magnetic field. Okay, that's how you can get it. So I hope with this trick, just by checking the change in parity, it will be easy for you to consider that what will be the multipoles, which will be the allowed multipoles in any transition. Okay, so guys, this was the trick, and you can practice more questions based on it. You can take more examples, you can try to apply this trick there, and I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, and if you are new on this channel, to get more such tricks, to know about more important points, concepts and questions, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and that's how like you will be able to get more videos. Also click on the bell icon after clicking on subscribe button below the video, so that you will get the notifications for all the new videos I will upload on this channel. Clear? Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also guys, now I'm going to provide you the information about the Unacademy Plus subscription. So if you want to attend the more regular live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as it is mentioned here, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. You just need to write it as it is, no space in between. Write it, apply it, and get that 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Also guys, there are many special classes going on, okay, and revision courses will soon start there. So that's how, if you will take the Plus subscription, now let's talk about this thing, that what are the benefits you will get after taking the subscription. So guys, more regular live classes, doubt clearing sessions, guidance by all the top educators, and the PDF of important notes along with the sessions as per the discussion which we are going to do during the classes. So that's how, like, all these things together will help you to do the best possible preparation in the remaining time before the exam. And I hope all these things together will help you to do the best preparation for the exam too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. You can take the Unacademy Plus subscription if you want to attend more regular live classes by all the top educators, and you can use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora. Okay, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.